messing it up. There we go. We're getting there in the home stretch. Now I should just make this one video and then just make the Rubik's Cube tricks another video. Alright. And there we go. Now, what I want to do now is I want to show you some tricks. You take any side, any color that you want. Let's, for example, so it's easy to see, I will pick the yellow side. Now this right here is going to be, I'm looking at the white side, but this right here is the one thing that shouldn't move, is your center. And if you hold it so that you don't rotate the cube all around, but you hold it perfectly still, then here's how you can make a checkerboard pattern. First, you take, well, I'm going to call them right side, left side, top, bottom. This will be the face for you, and the rear back here. So if you turn them clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter. If you turn them twice, 1, 2, it's the same thing as if you turn them backwards, 1, 2. So when I say 2, that basically means 1, 2 turns. So here's how you can make a checkerboard pattern. Pick any color, stare at just the center, and don't let that move. So you're going to turn your right 2, your left 2, the top 2, the bottom 2. Now we can't forget about the sides here. And you're going to turn your front 2 and your rear 2. And then you should have a checkerboard pattern all the way around your Rubik's Cube. Now, just do the exact same thing to reverse it. Top 2, bottom 2, left 2, right 2, front 2, rear 2.